I am seeing a war raging. I'm seeing a war raging. You as a carnal man who has carnal understanding may not understand what I am saying. I see war raging in Africa. Nigeria, Cameroon, I see war coming up. The war have started, but I see the war escalating, taking lives. I see war. I see war everywhere. I cannot close my eyes. I see different wars coming out, killing a lot of people because of liberation. I am calling on you that is watching me this time. Please, if you want this war not to escalate, please keep sharing this message across to everyone. The war has started, but I want this war to end. I want you to become an intercessor. I don't want you to look down on this video. I don't want you to pass this video without sharing it to people. Let everyone lend his voice, and let everyone lend his hands, and let everyone lend his legs. If you cannot speak, you lend your hand. If you cannot lend your hand, lend your feet so that you can go far. There is problem in Nigeria and Cameroon, and this war will escalate to different neighbors. Many hearts are not at peace. There are grudge, there are agony in the heart of men in these two countries. And when these two countries start their problem, it will escalate and it will affect different African countries, both economically, physically, and spiritually. Many men will suffer. Many will suffer. Don't neglect this. Many will die. Please, I want you to lend your hand, because I see our leaders. When I talk about our leaders in Africa, our leaders don't care. Our leaders in Nigeria don't care. Our leaders in Cameroon don't care. They are only working for their pockets, bringing diversity of wickedness to the people. When a leader is high-handed and deaf and becomes dumb at the same time, they are working for themselves. In Nigeria, the leaders are working for themselves. Just few number of them that are working for the people. And these few of them are being handled by the numerous, the multitude wicked ones that are working for their pockets. Lend your voice, lend your hand, share to people, say something, do something. The war is about to engulf even you and me. Even if you are in overseas, you are not free. Because when a man is discharged from the hospital and the child is admitted, have he been discharged? Absolutely, he is still bereaved. He is not discharged. He is still in the hospital. That is why I'm saying, lend your hand and lend your voice. Bible says in Matthew 5 verse 9, it said, blessed are those who make peace, because they will be called the sons of God. If you are a child of God, irrespective of your denomination and religious activities, I believe your religion talks about peace. If it doesn't talk about peace, it talks about unity. Because I believe there is no religion that doesn't talk about unity and peace. Because religion is what brings a certain group of people together. And that coming together is unity. So you can't tell me my religion doesn't like peace, doesn't like unity. So if you love these two countries, whether you are a white or you are an African, lend your voice. Our leaders are very myopic. They want to see our country wipe away because of their greed. They are killing our our people in the name they are serving the people. They are not serving us. They are not serving us. Nigerian government is not serving us. The Cameroonian government is not serving us. They are humiliating us. They want us to be wiped away from the surface of the earth. How can a war that started since 1967 continue to exist till this time of 2024? How can that war continue? Why do you say you have a leaders that cares? They only even go to the extent of making law that the peace and the unity of a country is paramount, that it cannot be divided. Whenever you talk about the division because of the problem that is coming up, they will charge you for treasonable felony because they know what they are working for, their pockets. How can a war that started since 7 years, since 2017, till now has not been attended to in Cameroon? Thousands have died. Millions died in 1967. Millions, about 7 million plus people died. Even still, people are still dying till today, topping the rate of the death rate. Jehovah El Shaddai. El Shaddai. Lend your voice. Lend your voice, brother. It is time for us to take the power in our hands. By lending our voice, African Union can never help you because they are still the same leaders working for themselves. Who? The same leaders that have been refined from their seat of power that they have messed up. They come to African Union. Are you waiting for European Union to come? You are not a white. They can't help you. They cannot help you. Lend your voice, lend your arms and lend your feet. Let us stand up and say no to this war raging in Amazonia. Amazonians have gone. Good number of them are in the IDP. I know most of you that are around can testify what I am saying is true. Many Nigerians are refugees in different lands, but they are not given refugee. They are refugees. Many are seeking asylum. Many have drowned in the Mediterranean Sea. In the name they want to jackpot, they want to go out of Nigeria. Many are in the Europe. Many are in different countries. They don't want to come home because of this war of Biafra and the Cameroon, Biafra and Nigeria. Many don't want to come in. The economy has been tampered in the highest order. Why is it that dollar is going up? Now they have gone to use national reserve to make dollar come down to 1,100 or 1,200. But the inflation is still coming up. I told you people, forget Amakri or anybody that can say any nonsense on the social media. Forget Amakri or whatever he can say, whoever he can cajole, that the dollar has come down. Forget Amakri. Amakri is the same one of the leaders that is still fighting for his pocket. He has been a mediator in the time past in the government. So he has nothing to offer. Amakri has nothing to offer. So I told you people that dollar will still go to 2,000. Watch this word today. Watch me. Dollar will still go to 2,000 and see what will happen. Dollar inflation is not happening because Nigeria money is high. It's because Nigeria has no productivity. Even in our own country that we use things, we don't have what we produce. All the things that we use in Nigeria is imported. Even the toothpick is imported. That is why dollar inflation cannot stop. They are embezzling our fund. They are embezzling our fund. They are doing war between people that say, no, we don't want this. War everywhere. I call upon you, rise up. Fight for Amazonia. Rise up and fight for Biafrans and Nigerians that are dying. Nigeria is not safe. Even those that say they are Nigerian, they are not safe. Even those that say they are Biafrans, they are not safe. They are being killed every day. Rise up, brother. Rise up, sister. Speak out. Speak out. Speak out. Speak out. This is the time of acceptance and liberation. Liberate your people from your mouth. Share this video across if you want peace to reign, because it will still affect you. Where are our doctors? Where are our nurses? Where are our engineers of higher professions? Where are they in overseas because of the same war? Where are our young boys? Why do people resort into different cybercrime like Yahoo? I will marry you, deceiving people. Why? It is happening in Cameroon, it's happening in Nigeria, it's happening in many other African countries. It's because of the high-handedness of the elites called the governments. They don't want to do what is right. So everybody, because of this poverty, is resorting to many things. Nigerians are not criminals, but it's the leaders that have introduced criminality into the system. And see now, the people see now that criminality is legality. Then they start doing criminality. If you want to punish a Nigerian, wait for his leaders to come. Take them and punish them. If you punish the leaders of Nigeria and punish the leaders of Cameroon, you will see there will be decency. Lend your voice. Lend your voice. You see the congregation of the Ambazonia and Biafrans. They are jamming together to fight Cameroon. They are also jamming together to start fighting Nigeria. I am not telling you by exaggeration, you know what I am talking about. Go and check the history. Before this happens, let us lend our voice. If this starts, this country, rain will beat the cow and beat the person chasing it. I'm telling you the truth. If you don't stand up and lend your voice and say, I belong to them, rain will come. You will beat the person and beat the cow is chasing. Please, if you like this, don't you ever. If you like what I have said here, don't ever pass without subscribing, hitting on the bell button, and share it across to people so that you'll be getting notification any moment to post anything here. That is the only support you can give me. I don't need dollar from you. I don't need naira. I don't need kwacha. I don't need shillings. I don't need anything from you. God bless you and have a wonderful day. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin.